Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to show how to find the four special products with one factor higher degree term displayed on the screen and four more similar products. To solve these exercises I'm going to use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. A plus b in parentheses multiplied by n minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared, which can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. First exercise. Find the special product x to the fourth power plus 1 in parentheses multiplied by x to the fourth power minus 1 in parentheses. In the first parentheses, I have the sum of the two terms x to the fourth power and 1. And in the second parentheses, I have the difference of the same two terms, x to the fourth power and 1. Therefore, I can use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same two terms. The first term, x to the fourth power, corresponds to the a in the formula, and the second term, 1, corresponds to the b in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to x to the fourth power in parentheses squared minus 1 squared, which equals to x to the eighth power minus 1. Next exercise. Find the special product 5 minus x to the sixth power multiplied by 5 plus x to the sixth power. Again, when I apply the formula, I have 5 squared minus x to the sixth power in parentheses squared, which equals to 25 minus x to the 12th power. Next exercise. Find the special product minus y to the third power minus 7 in parentheses multiplied by minus y to the third power plus 7 in parentheses. For this exercise, minus y to the third power will correspond to the a in the formula, and 7 will correspond to the b in the formula. And when I use the formula, I get minus y to the third power in parentheses squared minus 7 squared, which equals to y to the sixth power minus 49. Next exercise. Find the special product minus 10 plus y to the fifth power in parentheses multiplied by minus 10 minus y to the fifth power. Again, when I apply the formula, this equals to minus 10 in parentheses squared minus y to the fifth power in parentheses squared, which equals to 100 minus y to the 10th power. Next, I'm going to find four additional products with one factor higher degree term displayed on the screen. Find the special product x to the seventh power plus 6y in parentheses multiplied by x to the seventh power minus 6y in parentheses. In this exercise, x to the seventh power will correspond to the a in the formula, and 6y will correspond to the b in the formula. This way, this equals to x to the seventh power in parentheses squared minus 6y in parentheses squared, which equals to x to the 14th power minus 6 squared y squared, or this equals to x to the 14th power minus 36 y squared. Next exercise. Find the special product 8a minus b to the 9th power in parentheses multiplied by 8a plus b to the 9th power. For this exercise, 8a will correspond to the a in the formula, and b to the 9th power will correspond to the b in the formula. When I apply the formula, this equals to 8a squared minus b to the 9th power in parentheses squared. This simplifies to 8 squared a squared minus b to the 18th power, which equals to 64 a squared minus b to the 18th power. Next exercise. Find the special product minus 5x plus a to the 8th power in parentheses and minus 5x minus a to the 8th power in parentheses. Again, when I apply the formula for this exercise, I have minus 5x in parentheses squared minus a to the 8th power in parentheses squared, which equals to minus 5 in parentheses squared multiplied by x squared minus a to the 16th power. This equals to 25x squared minus a to the 16th power. Lastly, I'm going to find the special product minus 11y minus b to the 10th power in parentheses multiplied by minus 11y plus b to the 10th power in parentheses. For this exercise, minus 11y will correspond to the a in the formula and b to the 10th power will correspond to the b in the formula. This way, when I use the formula, this equals to minus 11y in parentheses squared minus b to the 10th power in parentheses squared. This equals to minus 11 in parentheses squared multiplied by y squared minus b to the 20th power. This equals to 121 y squared minus b to the 20th power. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.